Another winter's upon us, and we need to get this snowblower going, and we have a problem. And it's coming from the rubber gas hose or the cutoff switch. So drain the gas, if you haven't already, which I did. And to disconnect the other end of the fuel line, we have to go to the other side of the machine and pull off this cover. And pull the choke knob and the key, and then we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws holding this into the carburetor. And loosen a 5/16 hex head fastener up on top. Just loosen that. And there's the other end of the fuel line coming into the carburetor. Put a screwdriver in there and kind of pry it off. There. And the only hose that I could find that would fit between the gas tank and the carburetor into the narrow passageway they have in there was a genuine Tecumseh part. Quarter-inch ID and 7/16 OD will just fit through the passage. So I'm going to push-pull the new hose through with the old hose. I'm just using a piece of electrical tape to connect them. If you want to get a better look at this passageway, you can take the gas tank off and that front cover, but it really doesn't help much as far as getting the line through there. I tried that. So in case you're tempted to do this, here's a look at it, what you're going to be up against. Really is not much advantage in taking these parts off. I'd recommend just pulling the hose through that gap. Okay, we're doing a little push-pull action here. And there we are. And I'm not reusing or replacing the fuel cutoff. It was leaking too. I like these screw clamps. They're just easier to put on and to take off as well. I'm just going to snug it on there. Don't put any undue force on this barbed fitting. You wouldn't want to break that off. That'd be a nasty second repair. I think I'm going to give this a little heat. Softening this rubber up should make it slip on much easier. Okay, let's get the length. So we're just going to go, right about there. Use a little heat there too. Be careful, you don't want to have to buy a new gas tank. want to test for leaks before I put that carb cover back on, so I'm putting in just maybe a quarter tank of gas. Let's check for leaks. Okay, choke's on, up. All right, we're ready. Bring on the snow. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I've got more good stuff coming.